What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today is the big day, the one you've been all waiting for, and the one I've been waiting for very patiently. It's a new car collection day. So just gonna head out now. Got a 3-hour journey to go. Let's get started. This is the car I'm going with today. 520D. Perfect for motorway journeys. Very economical. Grab some food, carry on the journey. As you can see, we've arrived at the dealership. Ford, you know, it's a good brand.
Yeah.
I can't see it right here.
Okay.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Camera, show them. What do you guys think? V8 Mustang.
V8, bro.
Lovely life. 5 litre. The supercharger turbocharged, I don't even know, but I don't really care.
Is that your plate, yeah? V8 Borg.
Yeah. I'm just joking. So I've just arrived at the dealership. The cars are covered up now. I'm going to show you the car covered up. I'm going to see if you guys can guess it first. And then obviously I'll do the reveal and then you can see what it is.
Yeah.
See if you can guess what it is. It's a low down car, got a spoiler. It's a 2-door coupe. See if you can clock it.
This guy's thinking of all the mods he's going to do to it already, bro.
Mods incoming.
Mods incoming.
There's going to be a lot of mods to this one. I'm going to show you what colour it is, yeah?
No.
I don't think so.
Ooh.
Mods, you get it?
Yeah. So how long you been waiting altogether?
About a year now.
A year?
It's come to a year now, yeah. Almost a year.
A year in the making, this car.
Yeah.
Bro, it looks like it's for the track, bro.
2 more minutes, 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes. He's too excited, bro.
I'm tempted, innit?
Trust.
Open it and get in there. I'm doing it for the guy.
Yeah. Come on, fella.
Come, I'll show you the exhaust.
Oh.
Let me show you the exhaust at least, innit?
Sick.
that colour.
And that's
I
standard
think that
from
gives it
factory,
away.
yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, fam, that's the R6 colour.
What is?
That's like the R6.
So you guys ready, yeah? This is the big reveal. Here you
chase it. Brings to the blame, no hands to the break. When I switch all day, stands full of press to the damn all day. Sticking up signs, we never mind me. Point to the ground, stick down to the feet. Stay, please stay, bitch, you
this colour though.
Bayside's blue, man. Iconic, man.
Iconic.
GTR.
Iconic colour.
They facelifted it, yeah. This is the first time they introduced it on R35. This was, you know, R34.
Yes.
That's the original R34 color, and the first time they done on R35 in this model, so it's very special.
Wow.
Very special car, yeah?
Trust me, man. Had to grab that.
Time for the handover of Nam's new car. Just ticking off, stressing, yeah? Ticking off all the boxes on the new cash guy.
Signing away his life.
Yeah. Exactly. You guys just standing in appreciation, like.
It's an art, innit? It's an art.
It's an art, yeah,
Look
yeah.
at it.
Yeah, exactly.
Before you drive it, though.
I'm here, bro. Yeah.
Have a look at the engine.
What time did you meet? When you lift it up.
Whoa.
So this is what an engine 0,000 miles looks like. Fresh. Hand built by Hiroyuka Jamashi. You know how to make that up.
That looks mental.
Someone's turned this car on though. You can feel the heat.
Yeah, 100%. He needs a carbon as well. He needs a carbon, that's carbon as well.
Yeah.
All the best. Thank you, Mike. Take care.
That's for you. Thank you very much. I guess that's for the pizzas later, yeah? Pizzas later. Okay, that's it.
Pieces, yeah. It's an expensive pizza, isn't it?
Yeah. So you got the keys for you? Yeah. Okay. Congratulations. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy it. I know you will.
Yeah, definitely.
We'd like it back. Next time.
It's too clean, I don't want to drive it.
Yeah.
It's raining as well. Let's start it out and hear it out for the first time. Can't believe I'm back in the GTR again.
What do you think?
Feels amazing, man.
Yeah?
Just like it was. What's this, man? I don't want this. Nissan. I need a GTR on this. So yeah, man. Thanks for watching another video. I'll see you on the next one.